In this video, we are going to talk about the best Scuffle hose and Hula hose that can make your gardening easier, faster, and less tiring. Whether you need a lightweight garden tool for quick weeding, a heavy-duty hoe for breaking tough soil, or a long-handled weeding tool to save your back, we've got the best options for every gardener. These tools help cut weeds at the root, loosen soil for planting, and keep your garden neat without all the hard work. Which one do you think is the best? Let us know your top pick in the comments below. And now, let's get started. At number 5, the Carrot Scuffle Garden Hoe is a great all-around option for everyday gardening tasks. This adjustable hula hoe has a long handle that extends from 32 inches to 62 inches, so you can stand up straight while working instead of bending over. The dual-purpose head has a sharp 4-sided blade on the front to cut through weed roots, while the backside has steel teeth that can be used to loosen soil, remove weeds, and clean up dead grass. If you need a versatile, easy-to-use weeding tool that reduces strain on your back and knees, this is a solid pick, especially for those with small to medium-sized gardens. At number 4, the Rogue Scuffle Hoe is a heavy-duty garden hoe designed for tougher jobs. Unlike the others, this one is handmade from hardened steel and comes with a solid 60-inch wooden handle for extra durability. Its sharp triangular blade is designed for deep digging, making it great for breaking tough soil, planting vegetables, and clearing out thick weeds. Since the blade is sharp on all 3 sides, you can use it at different angles to reach tight spaces between plants. If you have a large garden, a farm, or need a tough gardening hoe for breaking hard ground, this is the best option for you. At number 3, the Donsail Scuffle Hoe is a fantastic lightweight yet sturdy hula hoe that's perfect for quick weeding. It has an adjustable handle that extends from 30 inches to 60 inches, so you can customize it to your height for maximum comfort. The loop-style stirrup hoe blade is great for cutting weed roots just below the surface, which makes it perfect for weeding around plants without disturbing them. It's also easy to assemble in just 1 minute and made from extra thick steel. For durability, if you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-use garden hoe for weeding flower beds, vegetable gardens, or lawns, this is a great choice for beginner and experienced gardeners alike. At number 2, the Melvtata Stirrup Hoe is designed for people who need a long-reach garden hoe with maximum flexibility. The handle can be adjusted to 4 different lengths: 30 inches, 45 inches, 60 inches, and even 72 inches, making it perfect for tall gardeners or anyone who wants to avoid bending over while working. The push-pull motion design allows you to remove weeds faster, even in gravel, sandy soil, or wet conditions. It's made from high-quality stainless steel, so it won't rust or wear down easily. Plus, it's super easy to put together and even comes with a free pair of gardening gloves. If you're looking for a versatile, long-handled weeding tool that can handle larger gardens and tougher weeds, this is a great option. Finally, at number 1, the Clark Scuffle Hoe stands out as an bold, efficient, well-balanced gardening tool for everyday use. It has an adjustable handle that can extend from 30 inches to 61 inches, making it comfortable for gardeners of all heights. This heavy-duty hula hoe is made from premium steel and is built to last. The sharp loop-style blade works well for weeding flower beds, loosening soil for planting, and even stirring compost bins. Since it's lightweight yet sturdy, it's easy to maneuver without feeling too heavy. If you're looking for a reliable, budget-friendly garden hoe that works for a variety of tasks, this one is a great investment for home gardeners and small farms alike. So, which Scuffle hoe or hula hoe is right for you? If you need a versatile weeding tool with a comfortable grip, the Carrot Hoe is a solid choice. For heavy-duty farming or breaking tough ground, the Rogue Hoe is the strongest option. If you're looking for a lightweight and easy-to-use push-pull garden hoe, the Donsail Hoe is a great fit. For tall gardeners or those who need extra reach, the Melvtata Hoe is a great long-handled weeder. And if you want a durable, well-balanced, and budget-friendly garden hoe, the Clark Hoe is a smart pick. No matter which one you choose, having the right weeding tool for gardening will make your work easier, faster, and more comfortable. A good Scuffle hoe can help you remove weeds efficiently, loosen soil for planting, and keep your garden healthy with less effort. So pick the one that fits your needs and enjoy stress-free gardening.